Welcome to Tesla Deep Dives. The pivotal topic on our agenda today is the 4680 battery crisis, decoding supplier signals, and the implications for Cybertruck production targets. Welcome to the deep dive on the 4680 battery crisis, the promised technological leap for Tesla's next-generation vehicles, unveiled at Battery Day in 2020, is now facing a credibility catastrophe. The seismic event? South Korean battery material supplier L&F Co. recently announced a nearly 99% write-down on its $2.9 billion supply deal with Tesla, reducing its value to a mere $7,386. The 4680 cell, named for its 46mm diameter and 80mm height, was hailed by Elon Musk as the key to halving battery costs and enabling a future $25,000 mass-market EV. The technology's cornerstone is the pioneering dry coating process, especially for the high-nickel cathode. Industry experts caution that scaling this dry coating technique to industrial levels remains a formidable, complex technical challenge, leading to high sap rates and uneven electrode thickness. The Cybertruck is the only vehicle currently reliant on Tesla's in-house 4680 cells. Tesla's projected annual production goal for the Cybertruck is 250,000 vehicles. However, production realities reveal a stark gap. Reports from late 2023 indicated the 4680 cell output was only sufficient for approximately 24,000 Cybertrucks annually, or about 1/10 of the required run rate. The L&F contract collapse, which was intended to supply high-nickel cathode materials from January 2024 through December 2025, is a direct signal of severely lower than expected demand and/or production capability at Giga Texas. Furthermore, other major suppliers are showing caution, with LG Energy Solution reportedly canceling its 4680 plans by July 2025 and Panasonic delaying its commercial 4680 production to mid-2024. Despite the supplier signals, Tesla executives maintain a positive stance. In the Q4 2023 earnings call, VP of Supply Chain Karn Budi-Rauch stated that 4680 production is ahead of the ramp, with weeks of finished cell inventory, and the company is not limited by cell production. This narrative is supported by an official Q2 2024 update showing a 51% quarter-over-quarter increase in 4680 cell production, achieving an annual run rate of over 70,000 vehicles, or 7 gigawatt-hours per year. Skeptical analysts summarize the issue as twofold: an industrial bottleneck and a market demand problem. The L&F write-down is viewed as catastrophic for the 4680 program. Analysts also point out that the Cybertruck itself is selling at a run rate of roughly 20,000 to 25,000 units annually against its capacity, requiring deep incentives like 0% APR financing. The consensus is that the 4680's promise of cost-cutting is currently failing to materialize at scale. The immediate financial impact of the supplier news was palpable. Tesla stock, TSLA, closed down 3.27% on the Nasdaq GSS following the L&F announcement. This volatile reaction, combined with widespread reports of underperforming sales, suggests the narrative of supply chain instability and underperformed sales expectations currently dominates market sentiment over the company's internal claims of production strength. To track the true health of the 4680 program and Cybertruck ramp, investors must monitor two specific metrics. First, the quarter-over-quarter growth rate of 4680 cell production, which was 51% in Q2 2024. A failure to sustain high double-digit growth signals a continued bottleneck. Second, the installation of the planned 4 new production lines at Giga Texas, which were scheduled to be installed starting in the second half of 2024. In synthesis, the 4680 battery crisis is not just a technology ramp-up problem, but a crisis of validation. While an internal source claimed, once dry electrodes are developed, they can change Tesla, the market is questioning whether the technological ambition of the 4680 can be commercially delivered fast enough to justify its cost and its reliance on a niche vehicle like the Cybertruck, which currently appears to be suffering from weak sales. Let me know what your thoughts and leave your comments. Thank you for joining us for this crucial deep dive. To ensure you never miss a pivotal analysis, please like the video, subscribe to the Tesla Deep Dives channel, and hit the notification bell. Your engagement fuels our critical research.